on your face or in the case. It's simple. When you're not wearing them on your face, take them off and actually put them in a case. And that way they won't get ruined. Sounds so simple, right? But a lot of people don't do that. Your eyewear comes in a great hard case. Use it. Take it with you wherever you are. Chances are your case will protect your frames from getting broken or bent or whatever it is you might just accidentally do to them. Tip number 2 is when you take your frames off and put them down on a table or a counter. How do you think you should put them? Like this or like this, upside down? If you put your frame's lenses down, of course they'll get scratched. Eventually, your glasses will get fingerprints or stains or smudges, so you'll have to clean them. You know that cleaning cloth that comes in your case along with the frames? Use it. It's fantastic. Pro tip: use the Aqualens Spectacle Lens Cleaner or a lens solution of your choice. The best way to clean them is with warm water before you use the spray and the cleaning cloth. But first, wash your hands thoroughly with mild soap and water and then dry them. Remember, clean your eyewear with warm water that you can put your hand in, not hot water. Hot water can damage your lens coatings. When taking your frames off, use both your hands instead of just one. Why? Taking your frames off with one hand, like shown in the movies, looks very cool. But that stretches them out and makes them loose. Using two hands keeps their alignment secure. Use warm water to get the heavy stains off. Remember, eyewear is delicate and prone to damage. It also keeps our eyes safe and healthy. Protecting your glasses means protecting your eyes. So, let's give it a little love and care, shall we? That's all for now.